One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, summer.
So you know you are at 5-star hotel and luxury hotel when the welcome drinks is like this.
I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's
Everybody,
We're going to the villa. Hello.
Welcome
Thank you.
So this is our one bedroom villa.
one bedroom villa.
One bedroom villa.
Welcome. Wow, the view must be. Going to the room. We are going. Ta-da! My God.
And divided by two types. We have suite type and we have villa type. For suite type, we have one bedroom villa, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom villas. For one bedroom villa, this is a twin bed. We only have 5 units for the twin bed. The rest, 62. The rest will be queen and king. Yes. So this is all the product, all the furniture is Indonesian. Oh, Indonesian.
Yeah.
Yeah, a local product actually. Like our value, wellness and sustainability, and we want to improve our local product.
So imagine this is your bed, you sleep here, and ta-da! And so pretty.
For a price,
Yeah. In
Online
it's
price
free for
or
us.
published?
Yay!
Published
price
rate?
published rate is around 11 million.
11
11 million
million.
plus.
11 million.
You can watch.
Oh my God. 11 million is like
$700.
700 US dollar. Is it 700 US dollar?
Ya kan? Difference between sky suite and sky pool suite, only sky suite without pool. All same. Again, from the layout, only the difference is color, the layout and the style. Everything is same. Yeah,
One of key point in the toilet, it is an electronic toilet, real modern. You can choose and press whatever button you need. We are at Sky Penthouse 2 bedroom. Master bedroom.
yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the master bedroom. Wow. You wake up with this view. Oh my God.
Sebenarnya pas untuk inspection ke sini dia bukan.
Yeah, with the sunset, yeah? Ah. You see, that is the lobby just now. That is the parking area, parking also, and the ocean.
Okay.
So pretty.
Kalau yang mau yang
We were there before. That is the lobby area. Now we are here. After going around now, we are going to have our ice cream. Yeah. Super yummy. Ice cream is always good, huh? It's always good idea.
ada durian.
Hmm?
Oh ya, coconut. Mau yang coconut aja?
Mau.
Oke.
Coconut and durian.
Coconut ya.
Oh, expert ya?
Ya.
Oh, you know
Saya
how
sudah
to
biasa.
do ya?
Saya tukang es krim.
Oh,
Yang keliling biasa.
so if you resign from hotel, you become ice cream seller. Okay. Now I know.
Kena nggak?
Okay, thank you so much for following us in doing inspection at Six Senses Hotel Uluwatu. See you on my next video. Bye bye.